Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool middle right here, and basically what this is a magnetic wireless charger that's from the brand called Anker, if you can see right here. So supposedly for this device right here is super compact and portable, but give you guys the option to actually charge your phone wireless, and also you guys can charge like an AirPod at the same time in the back using the wireless option as well. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. If we turn it back right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like right here. So let's take everything out. So first thing you see inside right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And right underneath that, you can see they provide you guys a high quality USB-C to USB-C cable right here. And we see the color on here is blue because we got the blue one. I believe they actually have this in a few other colors as well, such as like white, black, purple, and also blue, which is what we have right here. And right here, they provide you guys some feedback cards and also a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And then right underneath that, you can see they provide you guys a wall charger. Let's open it up. Alright. So once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the wall charger looks like. So it's definitely very small and very minimal. It has a foldable design right here for the plug outlet right here, which is pretty nice. And see the front part right here, it is a USB-C output, and it does have power delivery on here, which is pretty cool. But basically for this wall charger right here, they mentioned how it's a power port 3, so it can produce 20 watts on here maximum. But basically when you guys are not using it, you guys can fold it back up like this to save space. And last but not least, we have the actual part right here. If you can see, they do have the brand logo right here. And right here is basically what the front part looks like. Here's what the top part looks like. So the top part here is basically where you can do the wireless charging for your phone. But if you guys want to do the wireless charging for your AirPods device, you can basically go like this. And that way you guys actually fit in the wireless charger option on here for your AirPods if you guys want to. And I'm not sure if you can see inside right here, they do have a mirror option, which is pretty nice. So that way if you guys want to use the mirror, you can definitely do that as well. But basically once you guys are done using it, you guys can close it back up like this, since it does have a strong magnet on here. And in the back right here is basically where to plug in the cable, which is USB-C. So that way you guys can actually power on the device right here. And if you can see the bottom part right here, they do have the very nice anti-slip material to give you guys a very good grip when you guys put it on the table, so it won't keep moving around when you guys use it. And definitely when you guys feel the weight of the product, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it. So let's say if you guys want to use it in this angle, you can definitely use it in that angle if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to twist it this way, you can definitely do that as well, if you can see. So that way, if you guys want to watch a video or something while you guys are doing something else at the same time, you definitely can. But if you can see how strong the magnet is in the back right here, it actually holds the phone really nice right here. And obviously for the magnetic option on here, if you do have a case that's MagSafe compatible, you can definitely use it on here. But if you guys start using a case that's not MagSafe compatible, then it will not stick on here. But if you guys go like this and put your case on top, you can definitely do wireless charging on here. But I definitely love the design of the product a lot, if you can see. It looks like a mini soda can, very similar to like the Anker Nebula capsule. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually plug in the cable to actually test it out and show you guys when it actually works first. So I'm going to use the cable that they provide for me right here. And we basically want to plug it in the other side right here. If you can see, once we actually power on, you can definitely see the light right here. So that means it's ready to start using it. So once we open up this part right here, if we try to charge our phone, you guys can see it does work. If you guys want to use this part right here to charge like AirPods, you definitely can. So I can't show you guys in this angle right here, but it is charging right here. So I'm going to put this down on the table to give you guys another point of view of the product. So if you guys want to open up this part right here, just go like this. And we tilt it this way. You guys can see what it actually looks like right there. So if you guys want to charge like AirPods on here, just go like that. You can definitely see a red indicator light on top to show you guys that it is charging. If you can see that red dot, that is how you guys know when it's charging. So it definitely does work. And then obviously if you guys want to use this option right here to charge your AirPods, you definitely can as well. If you can see, it definitely does work. And that is only if your AirPod is MagSafe compatible. If it's not, they won't work. But we'll just leave this on the back right here. And then for this part right here, you could basically put your phone right here to actually do wireless charging or MagSafe charging option on here. So just like that. And then if you guys want to use it the other way, you can definitely do that as well. So if I go like this, that works as well. So you definitely have the option to use it both ways, either vertically or horizontally, and definitely charge your AirPods here at the same time if you guys want to as well. And then basically when you guys are not using it, you guys can take both of them off. So just like that, and close back up. You can basically bring this with you guys anywhere. But if you guys want to actually charge like this instead of using the inside part, you can definitely go like that as well. And same thing applies to the phone as well. If you can see. And you can see the bottom part right here actually lights up once you guys plug it in as well. Let me do it one more time. You can see it lights up right there. So that's how you guys know when it's charging. But you see the product is definitely very minimal and very portable. So if you guys want to bring this when you guys are traveling to charge 2 devices at the same time, you can definitely do that on here. Alright, so definitely see the product definitely does work if you guys want to use both options on here. If you see the magnet on the MagSafe charger is actually really powerful. It actually holds up really nice. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for a product that's very similar to this one right here, where you give you guys a MagSafe charger option on here to actually charge your phone or any other device. That also comes with the wireless charger option to actually charge AirPods. And also if you guys like the design of this product as well, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.